Mom, you want to give us a few words?
I'm chilled now.
Pa, few words.
This is the life.
Hey,
Happy to be here. Garage. Few words there.
Cheers, ma.
Cheers, eh?
Cheers.
Auntie Daisy, the woman of the moment.
Oh, thank
Kat,
you, son.
what did you say,
My
bro?
mouth
I
is.
thought your mother was the woman of the moment.
Are you the woman of
Don't be jealous.
And your other mother, they
woman of the lifetime? Woman of the
you made the
lifetime.
other woman.
Don't be jealous. I am his father's wife.
Oh, yeah.
Pa, how are you feeling here?
Hey, awesome. This is in my element now. Eh?
Top of the world, eh? Top of the world. Garage.
World's
Yeah, great place, guys.
Put it into 3 words. Put it into 3 words.
3 words.
3 words.
Great place.
To be.
Place, face.
Great space.
Can. Talk to us, boy. Talk to us.
Oh. Endless horizons to my right.
Right over there.
Mothers to the left.
Mother,
Whisper.
you're in the wilderness and you're on your phone.
Talk to us.
I'm looking at what Hugo is posting here.
Oh, man. You see?
No, it's probably like 5. Quarter to 5.
Oh, man. So today we are doing Maine caves. Apparently there's some cool rock paintings or whatever. Gonna go check it out. Got the whole fam. It's gonna be steez. Unfortunately, we've left the ladies behind to do the river walk while we head off to the caves. We will miss them and love them, but the show must go on. So Maine caves, here we come. Cousin, what you say, eh?
I just gotta say, we are hiking We are Viking. Grooving, we are grooving. We're shaking, baby.
Talk to us.
Keep on moving, Johnny Walker.
Johnny Walkers.
Don't stop till you see the black ball.
Awesome. That's cool. I did that. Welcome to Maine Caves.
Welcome to Maine Caves.
Thank you, Mr. Tour Guide.
The main man.
Garage, you're winning there.
Yeah, welcome guys. It's good to be here at the main cave with you all.
Main caves.
And that concludes the cave tour. It's pretty cool. Now we are going to find a lekker little spot to have a swim. Yeah. And then back to camp to meet up with our beloved mothers.
One time, dive in.
Let's go dive.
Dive in, around
Dive in, come out. I'll video you.
right on the rock.
Just go in there and come
Oh,
out.
no, yeah, go around.
You can do as whatever you want.
Then you catch on.
You'll have to just whack it, boss.
Tramp.
Just dip, boy, dip.
Oh, I'm gonna go.
Go for it. 3, 2, 1. Yo! Yes, that's boss. Don't try this at home. Look at that, you going.
Come on, it's too cold.
Submerging.
Okay, here comes Ken out of the water's edge now. Frozen. Oh, okay. Frozen. Okay. And night is busy day. With the big lighty. There it is. Okay, guys.
Yes, Jess. Okay, lovely. Yes, lad. Yes. Woo! Yes. Yes. That's chillers, eh? That is no joke. Yo.
Don't try that at all.
Do not advise.
That was by far some of the coldest water I think we've ever swam in, but it was refreshing. How was that, cuz?
Okay, listen. Water was ice cold. Really tenses you up mentally. You have to prepare yourself. You gotta push harder every day. Try and be a better person and fight against obstacles now.
Wim Hofs. That's all I want to say. Wim Hofs.